Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be solving the problem 9 to the power of 5 minus 9 to the power of 6. So, to solve this, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to rewrite 9 to the power of 6 as 9 to the power of 5 plus 1. And by doing this, I can use the property a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So 9 to the power of 5 plus 1, I can rewrite that as 9 to the power of 5 times 9 to the power of 1. Now from here, I can factor out 9 to the power of 5, so I get 9 to the power of 5 times 1 minus 9 to the power of 1. And 9 to the power of 1 is equal to 9, so I get 9 to the power of 5 times 1 minus 9. And 1 minus 9 is the same thing as negative 8, so I get 9 to the power of 5 times negative 8. And this is equal to 9 to the power of 5 times 8 times negative 1. So now I'm going to simplify this a little more by rewriting 9 to the power of 5 as 3 squared to the power of 5. Now I have this times 8 times negative 1. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 5 is going to equal 3 to the power of 2 times 5. Now this times 8 times negative 1. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So this turns into 3 to the power of 10 times 8 times negative 1. And negative 1, what I can just do is put this in the front. So I get negative 3 to the power of 10 times 8. Now, the exact value of 3 to the power of 10 is equal to 59,049. And this is going to be negative because of this negative sign. And now I have this times 8. Well, instead of just simply trying to multiply 59,000 by 49 like this, there is a simpler method. What I can do is rewrite negative 49,049 as, 59,049 as 59,000 plus 49, and now distribute the 8. So 8 times 59,000, well, all we have to do is 8 times 59, which is 472, and add the 3 zeros at the end. So I get 472,000 plus 8 times 49 is going to be 392. So now, by adding these, I get 472,392. And this is negative, so negative 472,392. Now, what I'm going to do is solve 9 to the power of 5 plus 9 to the power of 6. So actually, I want you guys to pause the video and try to solve this. So to solve this, what I'm going to do is rewrite 9 to the power of 6 as 9 to the power of 5 plus 1 once again. And now, if I have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So I'm just simply doing the same thing as I did in my first problem. Now again, I'm going to factor out 9 to the power of 5. So I get 9 to the power of 5 times 1 plus 9 to the power of 1. And 9 to the power of 1 is the same thing as 9. So I get 9 to the power of 5 times 1 plus 9, which is the same thing as 9 to the power of 5 times 10. Now, again, just like the last problem, I'm going to rewrite 9 to the power of 5 as 3 squared to the power of 5. And I have this times 10. And remember, if I have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 5 is going to equal 3 to the power of 2 times 5, which is equal to 3 to the power of 10. And I have this times 10. Now remember, 3 to the power of 10 is equal to 59,049. So I have 59,049 times 10. And now this is much simpler because any number times 10 is just that number with an extra 0. So 59,049 times 10 is simply going to be equal to 590,490. So this is my answer to this problem. And if you notice, this wasn't really that hard. You just have to use several exponential properties to solve this.